Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Quick Guide. In this video, I will show you how you can create Netspend account. If this is something that you're interested in, then make sure to follow all the steps and watch this video till the end. Now before we start the video, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to open up any web browser on your PC and there search for netspend.com. Now if you already have registered your Netspend account, then you can tap on login button and then get logged into your account. But if you're new to this Netspend and you want to create your Netspend account, then you have to tap on the sign up button at the top right corner of your screen. As soon as you tap on it, you will land it to its sign up page. Now here you have to type in your first name, your last name, your street address, zip code, email address, and then you have to check payment method for your direct deposit. And lastly, you have to choose a card for you. And once you're done with typing in all the details required, tap on Get My Card button. And after that, follow on-screen prompts till the end and you will be able to create your Netspend account. Now that's all for this video. Hope you liked and found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.